So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Raj, and we're continuing our Android application that would be called calculator application. And today we'll be learning about the calculator button, how to create a calculator button, and lazy particle grid, how to use those things and everything. And the video goes like this. Before that, if you haven't seen my first part of first part of the BG video, then please go back to the previous video and watch it. I will keep the link in the description. That would be very helpful for you to learn and understand it. And now let's begin our calculator button part.
Made some mistake, so I skipped the places. So now I'm going to do down over here. So function getColor, and button would be a string color. Now if we are going to use the if statement in this, as there will be a number of items. So if button equals to AC uh, or button equals to C, then we are going to return, we are going to give a separate colors for this thing. So then we'll so for now we are going to return it. So return the you can use any kind of color that you want, but I'm going to use the red one for this because it cancel all the taxes, right? That's the reason I'm going to do that. And I'm going to give the hash colors name on it, and according to it you can also do the same. Color is to hash color. That would be like 0x FFF and 4433 6. And again we are going to give color to other if button equals to now we are going to give color to the operators, like plus minus. Okay, rather than that, first of all let's give color to the parentheses braces, like open braces, close braces, this one. And these colors would be something gray color, something like that. And again for the parent operators, plus minus equals to divide. We are going to give the other different colors for this. I think I missed something, so I think I missed the equals to sign. So yeah, now we have to return the color according to the choice of the users. You can put the color on it. And finally let's return it. Yes, and rest of the remaining that are like numbers would be also given. Let's run the number. Let's run the function. I think something went wrong over here. Okay, I forgot to change over there and the container color. That would be we have to change that to the getColor. The parenthesis function name that we have comp we have created recently. Now it will work perfectly. Yeah, now we can see there. Yes, now we can see there are different color for the different words, like A and C have red colors, open and closing parentheses have blue color, and a gray color have a different other different things, and orange color have for the operators. And you can choose the colors if you want to choose, just by clicking on the side color button.
Okay, this was for today's video, so we'll be continuing in the next part. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you have any queries or questions, then let me know, and please do watch the video carefully and do not skip the video. I hope you learned something from this one. Thank you for watching.